Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we've got a really focused set of sources.
Yeah, very specific. Just detailing one single piece of professional AV equipment.
It's an unusual stack for us, but
Hmm.
actually perfect for looking into, a sort of hidden supply chain.
Right.
So our mission today, pull out the key details: availability, cost, the whole sourcing network for the DVDO AudioEmb-1 4K HDMI audio embedder with HDCP 2.2.
Okay, that's a mouthful.
It is. Okay, let's unpack this.
And maybe before we jump straight into who sells it, we should quickly cover what this little box, does.
On point.
So an audio embedder, it's basically a tool for installers and lets you manage audio and video signals separately.
Like if they're coming from different places.
Exactly. Combine them or split them.
Yep.
And that HDCP 2.2 bit,
Mm-hmm.
well, that's the digital handshake you absolutely need for modern 4K stuff to work.
Oh, the copy protection.
Right. If you don't have that handshake, your whole setup just fails. Screen goes black.
Okay, that makes it pretty critical then. So knowing that, the analysis isn't just about the tech, it's the ecosystem.
Mm-hmm.
Who actually sells and, importantly, supports this thing, this M1.
Well, the sources are pretty consistent on this one.
They all seem to point to HDTV Supply. That's HDTV Supply, Inc., formally.
Yeah, and what's interesting, I think, is the specific language they use. It's not just like another reseller listing.
What does it say?
The text explicitly states they actually partner with DVDO to sell and support all DVDO products.
Okay, that's a strong claim. Partnership and support.
It is, because, in these niche tech areas, lots of places might say they're official, but
But are they really? Does the source give us any reason to trust this claim from HDTV Supply, especially for something this vital?
it tries to. They immediately mention their history, their longevity.
Ah, yeah, I saw that. They call themselves the 24-year global home for audio and video products.
Right. And that phrasing 24-year global home, that's not aimed at hobbyists, is it?
No, definitely not. That sounds like they're talking directly to professional installers, integrators, people who need reliability and support they can count on, not just the cheapest price.
Exactly. It's all about stability for those guys. You can't risk a whole expensive installation failing because some little box gives out and you can't get support.
True. So, okay, we have this claim distribution partnership, this long track record.
Yeah.
What's the next big question for an integrator?
Always a cost, right? What's the damage? How much is this thing going to set me back?
And here's where it gets, well, I think it's really interesting. The price. Our sources consistently list this DVDO AudioEmb-1 at
Let me guess, is it under 100?
spot on, $99.
Uh-huh.
Very stable price point, too, it seems.
$99. Okay, now that tells a story. It's not just the number itself, it's that it's fixed. Probably been that way for a while.
What does that stability suggest to you for pro gear like this?
Well, a couple of things, maybe. Either it's just a necessary, low-margin sort of utility part that everyone in the trade needs.
A loss leader, almost.
Kind of. Or it's priced really strategically low. Like get the installers hooked into the DVDO ecosystem with this essential, affordable part.
Can make it a no-brainer purchase.
Exactly. They're probably betting on repeat business, volume, maybe selling other higher-margin DVDO gear alongside it. It's about the relationship, the support.
Yeah, and the marketing language in the sources, it's so direct, isn't it?
How so?
It keeps asking, like, repeatedly, why not buy this DVDO AudioEmb-1 4K HDMI audio embedder with HDCP 2.2 today?
Huh, really? That direct?
Yeah, it feels very pointed, like it's aimed right at a pro who already knows they need it and is just double-checking who has stock.
No messing around, get it bought.
Right. So, okay, let's sum this up. We've got the specific critical tool, the AudioEmb-1 with HDCP 2.2.
Yep.
We've got the supplier, HDTV Supply, claiming a 24-year history and a direct partnership with DVDO for sales and support.
The exclusive partner, it's saying.
And we have that very strategic, stable price point, $99.
And if we connect that to the bigger picture, I think the real insight here is how important finding that dedicated distribution partner is for specialized gear. It's not always about shopping around.
It tells you a lot about the market itself, doesn't it?
Definitely. It suggests this particular niche, well, it runs on trust, on predictability, maybe more than just shaving a few bucks off the price.
Agreed. So here's something to think about, maybe, based just on that fixed $99 price and that claim of 24 years from one main supplier.
Yeah.
What does that reliance on, essentially one source, HDTV Supply, tell you about this specific AV niche? Like, how big is it really? What are the barriers to entry for competitors?
That exclusivity. It's definitely food for thought when you're researching your next bit of critical kit.